I'm confused about how many category codes I need to pay for. I want to trademark a logo to be on artwork, to use a print on-demand service for placing art onto products, like mug, t-shirt, tote bags, kind of swag. They sell artists for paying commission. I'm not associated with manufacturing process of a product and not using a logo as a brand identifier like Nike. They go on to say, they're not using a logo like Nike. I not expected more than just a trademark for the logo under code 16 for art applications to be associated with me. Thoughts on that, Matt?
Yeah, I got it. So they're getting a little lost in the trees here. When you think about like what your business does, right? You can be a product business or a service business, or maybe even both. This individual is a service company, right? They're taking people's desires for branding products and they're placing their product logo on the product. They're not actually selling mugs, t-shirts, posters, anything like that. They're a service company.
Yeah.
And so, if you are branding products for other people, you could conceivably be, if you looked at it just at face value, it could be like in 8, 9, 10 different classes of products at the USPTO. But that's not the trademark that they're offering their customers. The trademark or the service that they're offering their customers is basically printing services on behalf of third parties, right? So it's a single service that they're offering, right? They're not selling mugs or t-shirts or whatever. They're just offering this service of basically printing products for customers, maybe drop shipping them. In which case it's pretty simple. It's just a single class 35 application. Class 35 is business category at the USPTO. It does anything from online retail store sales to retail store sales to business services. I would assume that most of what they're doing is going to be in class 35. So
that's awesome. That's a great answer, Matt. It doesn't matter what product they slap their client's product on.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, consumers aren't buying the mug from them. They're buying the service that basically brands, or prints the product for them, right? So that's what they're offering their clients. They're not offering their clients t-shirts. The way that I think about that too is, where does the client make their money, right? When their client pays them the money, they're not buying the mug really, right? They're buying the service that puts the art on the mug. So it's probably just a single class application at the USPTO. Consumers aren't buying the mug from them. They're buying the service that basically brands, or prints the product for them, right? So that's what they're offering their clients. They're not offering their clients t-shirts.